How to Make Sushi, your step-by-step guide to making sushi. Written by HowExpert Press. Narrated by Rebecca Martin. Introduction. People have come to associate Japan with advanced technology, anime, robots, and the samurai. But did you know that this country is also the one responsible for contributing healthy, unique, and exotic dishes such as ramen and sushi? Rice, fish, and other seafoods like squid, octopus, eel, and shellfish are the staple foods in Japan. Most of the dietitians said that the Japanese traditional diet was one of the healthiest diets in the world. The Japanese diet consists of rice, vegetable, fish, or seafoods, fermented foods, and naturally nutritious foods. The Japanese diet also includes green tea as a beverage, served hot or cold, which is a really healthy, fat-burning, and antioxidant-loaded drink. Brief history of sushi. Originally, sushi was said to be made first somewhere in Southeast Asia, which then widely spread throughout Japan. Sushi was actually a way of preserving fish without the help of refrigeration. Back then, people wrapped salted fish in fermented rice so they can store it for months. The fermented rice kept the fish edible for about 6 months. Unlike the sushi we have today, people ate the fermented fish but threw away the rice. This sushi is called or known as nare sushi. Then this idea of preserving fish spread throughout Japan. Later on, the Japanese preferred to eat sushi together with rice and called it seisei sushi. In the 17th century, Matsumoto Yoshiichi introduced the use of rice vinegar as a seasoning for the sushi rice. With the help of rice vinegar, the sushi could now be eaten immediately instead of waiting for months for it to be ready. In the 19th century, Hanaya Yoei introduced a big change to the presentation of sushi. Instead of wrapping the fish in rice, he placed the fish on top of an oblong-shaped rice. This is now what we call nigiri sushi. Like a lot of Japanese dishes, it is served cold. Sushi uses cold, cooked rice, seasoned with rice vinegar, and raw fish wrapped in nori or seaweed. Sushi is often served in bite-sized servings with oblong-shaped rice topped with raw fish or seafood. Sushi is different from sashimi. Sashimi is raw slices of fish or seafood served without rice or wrap. Types of sushi. Japanese sushi. There are 2 major types of sushi. 1. Nigiri sushi, or hand-formed sushi. Oval-shaped rice balls formed by hand, topped with thin slices of fish or seafood. Gunken maki, or warship roll. The rice ball is wrapped around a strip of nori. It is topped with soft ingredients like salmon, roe, natto, and sea urchin. The strip of nori is slightly higher than the rice ball so the soft ingredients won't spill out. Tamari sushi, or thread ball. It is similar to nigiri sushi. The difference is, tamari sushi is a ball-shaped sushi. It is also formed or shaped using hands and a plastic wrap. 2. Maki sushi, or rolled sushi. Some call it makimono, or a variety of rolls. This is a rolled sushi with the help of the rolling mat or bamboo mat. Maki sushi are usually wrapped in nori, or some like it wrapped in a thin omelette. Futomaki, or fat rolls. It is also rolled and wrapped with nori, seaweed. Futomaki has 2 or 3 fillings. Hosomaki, thin rolls, almost similar to futomaki. It is also rolled and wrapped with nori, seaweed, but instead of putting 2 or 3 fillings, hosomaki only contain 1 filling. Tamaki, or hand rolls. This is different from maki sushi, but it is also wrapped with nori, seaweed. Tamaki sushi is a cone-shaped sushi rolled by the hand and the rice and fillings are stuffed inside like an ice cream. Other interesting types of Japanese sushi. Oshi sushi, pressed sushi. This is similar to nigiri sushi. The difference is this one is not molded by hand. Oshi sushi is a pressed sushi with the help of a wooden molder, oshizu shihako. Inari sushi, or stuffed sushi. These are pouches of fried tofu stuffed with sushi rice. Shirasi sushi, scattered sushi. This is a sushi in a bowl. It is not rolled nor molded. Imagine a bowl of sushi rice topped with raw fish, egg, tamago, and vegetables. Western-style sushi. Here are some examples of foreign adaptation or version of sushi. 1. California roll. This is the most popular Western-style sushi. The California roll was introduced by Ichiro Mashita in Los Angeles, California during the 1970s, which became popular throughout the United States in the 1980s. A typical California roll consists of avocado, coney, or imitation crab stick, cucumber, and rolled in tobiko, flying fish roes. Some put mangoes instead of avocados. 2. Tiger roll. Tiger roll is also a popular Western-style sushi. Because a lot of people are not used to eating fresh or raw seafoods, the tiger roll is best option for you if you don't like eating raw fish, as it usually consists of shrimp tempura, avocado, cucumber topped with boiled prawns. 3. Philadelphia roll. The Philadelphia roll consists of fresh or smoked salmon and cream cheese. Some restaurants also use cucumbers. This is a simple sushi that has a creamy and tasty flavor. 4. Seattle roll. The Seattle roll can be found in Seattle, Washington. Seattle roll is similar to California roll. Both contain cucumber, avocado, raw salmon or seafood of your choice, and tobiko. The only difference between them is Seattle roll has cream cheese and smoked salmon instead of raw salmon. 5. Spam musubi. The spam musubi is Hawaii's version of the Japanese onigiri, or rice balls filled with salted salmon or any sour ingredient that will serve as a natural preservative. Spam musubi is a popular snack and lunch in Hawaii. It consists of rice, cooked spam, grilled, fried, or with a light teriyaki sauce, and it is wrapped with a strip of nori, seaweed.